Scrintal AI is one of the most exciting AI tools to be released recently, and if you're wondering if it lives up to the hype, you're in the right place. In this Scrintal AI review, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know so you can decide if this new AI software is right for you. Stick around till the end, because I've got some insights and tips you won't want to miss. First off, Scrintal AI is a platform designed to help businesses and content creators streamline their workflow and increase productivity. It uses advanced AI to assist with content generation, data organization, and task automation, making it ideal for anyone looking to save time while getting things done efficiently. The first thing you need to know about Scrintal is its intuitive interface. This software is designed with simplicity in mind, allowing you to jump in and start working immediately without a steep learning curve. For anyone who's used AI software before, you'll appreciate that Scrintal doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary features. It's a clean, no-nonsense tool that lets you focus on what matters. Second, Scrintal excels at content generation. It's not just about writing a few sentences or paragraphs. This AI tool allows you to generate entire blog posts, social media content, and even marketing copy, all customized to your brand voice and tone. So whether you're working on SEO content, email campaigns, or creative writing, Scrintal can help generate a solid foundation to build upon. One of the best features of Scrintal is its data organization capabilities. In today's fast-paced digital world, managing all your information efficiently is a huge time saver. Scrintal's AI helps categorize and organize your notes, ideas, and content, so you can easily find exactly what you're looking for when you need it. If you're someone who juggles multiple projects or deals with tons of information, this feature alone could be a game changer. Another crucial aspect of Scrintal AI is its integration with other platforms. Whether you're using Google Docs, Slack, or any other productivity tool, Scrintal allows you to integrate and automate tasks across these platforms. This feature makes Scrintal perfect for teams who need seamless collaboration and task management. You can connect your existing tools and streamline processes to save valuable time and improve your team's efficiency. For those who are into data analytics, Scrintal also offers powerful data analysis capabilities. Its AI can process data and provide insights that are easy to understand and act upon. This can be a huge advantage if you're running campaigns, measuring performance, or just looking to improve decision-making in your business. If you're worried about the cost, here's the great part. Scrintal offers a free trial. Yes, you can explore all these amazing features before making any commitment. This means you can test out the AI's capabilities firsthand and see how it fits into your workflow without any pressure. It's an excellent way to find out if Scrintal is truly the right tool for your needs. But here's a little secret. Scrintal AI is still evolving, and the team behind it is continuously adding new features and refining existing ones. If you're looking for an AI tool that's going to keep improving over time, Scrintal is worth keeping an eye on. With so many software tools out there, it's rare to find one that's as dedicated to growth and development as this one. So, if you want to try Scrintal AI for yourself, just click the link below to get started with the free trial. I've personally tested thousands of AI tools, and I can confidently say that Scrintal is one of the top contenders in the market right now. Don't forget, I've also included some of my other top AI software recommendations in the description, all of which you can try for free. You won't want to miss them if you're serious about enhancing your productivity with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.